Ciao guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is has to be a very quick video. I have to make a cake in about like 20 minutes, and I decided to make the caprese, the torta caprese. It's 200 grams of butter, 250 grams of chocolate that we're gonna melt together with the butter, 5 eggs, we're gonna separate them, 200 grams of sugar in the bread, and we got the almond flour, which we're gonna use about 300 grams. Okay, let's start melting butter, 250 grams of chocolate, all in. This is gonna melt pretty quick. We can start mixing the eggs. We measure 200 grams of sugar. There you go, this is ready. So that we can mix together the chocolate. Add a little bit of almonds. If we crush a few almonds, it's gonna be even better. Ready? Get the white head. Grams of almond flour. Done. Time to clean a little bit and get this beauty in the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Guys, if you're still here, thank you so much for that, and please consider subscribe to my channel and stick to the end to see the final result. Little secret before you go in the oven, you spray olive oil and add flour in the cake pan so it's not gonna stick. Very good. Oh shit. I'll see you in the next one.